up guys, it's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video that a lot of you have wanted to see for a really long time, and this is my morning routine. During the week I usually just wake up and get ready for school, so it's not very interesting. But today is Saturday, so I'm going to be showing you guys my weekend morning routine. And before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much because we recently hit 1 million subscribers, which is just insane, and I love you guys so much, so thank you for all your support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So on the weekends, I usually wake up around 10 a.m. because I really like to sleep in. And then the first thing I do when I wake up is just reach for my phone, and I like to check social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, just to see what I missed over the night. And then after that, I go downstairs for breakfast. Sometimes I make my own breakfast and sometimes my mom helps me out, but today she wasn't home, so I just poured myself a bowl of cereal. I just like to scroll through Instagram and all my social medias again just to see if I missed anything else. After I'm done my breakfast, I head back up to my room to get ready. Here I was just tying my hair up before I could wash my face so that my hair didn't get all wet. Recently I've been using this face wash. It's called the Instant Foaming Cleanser from Caudalie. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. I always feel like Kevin from Home Alone in this part of my morning routine when I go, okay, I should probably wash this on my face now. Here I was just washing off my face wash and then applying some moisturizer. And this is a moisturizer that I've been in love with lately. My friends Ruby and Nadia recommended it to me, and it is really awesome. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge. And I forgot to brush my teeth the first time, but now I'm back in the bathroom brushing them. After this, I'm pretty much done with my face and teeth, but now I'm just going to go pick out an outfit for the day. It's been really cold in Toronto lately, so I picked out a sweater, a pair of jeans, and a t-shirt. Like any normal person does, I walk into my bathroom wearing my pajamas, and it takes me 2 seconds to change into my clothes and walk back out. Then I head over to my little vanity area and I put on some YouTube videos I can watch while I'm doing my makeup. The first product I use is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2. I take my beauty blender and I blend in my concealer. And then I take my Laura Mercier loose setting powder, and I'm not sure what this brush is called, it's part of a set by Tarte. Take my Too Faced chocolate bronzer and apply it under my cheekbones. This is one of my all-time favorites. It's the Becca pressed highlighter. And lastly, but definitely not least, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. And then the last step is just to brush out my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.